Hey there. I love me some self-care. So today I'm doing a mask. I'm going to use bentonite. I'm going to use some sea moss. I'm going to use some turmeric, some charcoal. I have some manuka honey that I like to use in my mask all the time. And yeah, I'm just trying something out different. Of course, I'm going to use my little container. Get you something to stir it really good with. And I always start out with my bentonite clay because um yeah, I generally use about a teaspoon to like 2 teaspoons of it, but generally it is my ratio for that is like 1/3 and then like 2/3 of the bentonite, 1/3 of the charcoal and then 2/3 bentonite clay. It's always like that type of ratio. Anyway, now with the turmeric, I don't use a lot of turmeric because it stains, and a little bit goes a long way. So as you can see, when I add the bentonite clay, it's just, I mean not bentonite, the charcoal is just a little bit because that stains as well. And again, a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to add some sea moss, and I also have some flaxseed gel that I made. So I'm going to use some of the flaxseed gel. And I mean, it's natural. I use it on my hair as well. So I just wanted to add a little bit, being extra. And then I add some sea moss, no more than a teaspoon of it, just to try it out. And then I am going to add a little bit of water. I always start off with a little bit of water, and then I add more as needed. I can honestly say that by adding the two gels, it did make it a little bit easier to mix, and the consistency did come out quite different this time. I can honestly say I would definitely add the sea moss on a regular basis. So again, I'm just going to continue to mix that up. Now my honey is generally it's refrigerated, so it's kind of thick, and I have to literally take some of it out, and that's going to help with the consistency as well. You see how thick that is? And I'm just going to continue to mix it. This is what it's starting to look like. I really like it. Now I am going to add it to my face, and I've already washed my face uh, just with water. And yeah, I'm going to start adding it. And of course it's looking like war paint a little bit, but just take your time and add it all over. And yes, I am using the painting tool. So yeah, I just take my time and apply it all over my face. And once I get I guess you could say a good consistency all over my face, I try to make it as even as possible. But if it's not really even, it doesn't bother me. I just try to get everything spread across my face as much as possible. And then of course I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to let it sit on my face. It generally takes about 15 to 20 minutes to completely dry. And once it dries, I just use, because I have charcoal I use like a darker rag um, to help get it off, and I wet that rag to help me along with the process. Sometimes you know, you can just use water, but again, I generally use a rag to help clean it off. And yeah. Here I am getting whatever's left over off of my eyebrows and from under my eye. But yeah, that concludes this video. I hope this is helpful for you guys. And I'll check you guys out next time. Don't forget to lean on that like button.